We are here taking a look at this 2013 Newell that is on the lot at Motorhomes of Texas. Immediately when you come in that front entry, the interior strikes you and is captivating. I loved the adaptability of these front captain's chairs. The leather is beautiful. It's a two-tone color. It goes perfectly well with the color scheme of this coach. But the beautiful dash, the all-electric navigation, rear cameras, side cameras that this coach comes with really just sets the tone for the sophistication. Now, as being a lady driver, when I sat in it, it felt comfortable. I think anybody is going to be able to take this coach out and enjoy all that life has to offer. This coach is 45 feet long. Newell packed it in with 4 slides, so you have 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Take a moment to enjoy the texture, the richness of the cabinetry, the quartz countertops, this color scheme. It is beautiful from top to bottom. I want you to appreciate how tall these ceilings are. So we still have good base storage below, but we do have a lot of movement and a lot of space on this interior. We have this lift TV, which allows this to function as either some theater seating or in a desk area where you can comfortably pull up a chair if you are one of those that needs to take work out on the road with you. I do like this movable ottoman that they have here, but it also will double as a storage capacity if needed for blankets or whatever knickknacks you are taking on the road with you. This is a sleeper sofa, so we can expand our sleeping capacity within this coach. This beautiful interior, I like how they put in this reflective mirror up at the top. Not too much, but it does add and create that spacious sense, but also is a wonderful, elegant detail for the coach and matching the rest of the interior. You're going to notice these blinds, and I really think this adds to that nice, elegant, and good lines that we will see. Now, one thing to know, if you're going to come in and touch them, these are actually fabric. So we get that illusion of having very nice wood blinds. It's a great detail, but we do have the way they have fabricated them, they're very easy to clean, and it's still a lightweight touch to the coach. This is an all-electric coach. Now, not only do we have our dishwasher and our residential fridge and freezer that you'll see here shortly, but look what Newell added in for us, your own built-in coffee pot. I am a fan of the convection and microwave oven. I think it's a great space-saving feature, and it allows you to, again, be able to bake on the road, do all those entertaining things. Looking from the front to the rear, Newell made sure that they capitalized on all the available storage. And when you do go in and open up these cabinets, you're going to find that they're very deep. And so someone who likes to make sure I've got plenty of goodies for the husband while we're out traveling, I like the depth and the height of these particular cabinets. This coach is a bath and a half, so you will have a lavatory that's accessible when you are in transit mode, and then of course the full bath in the rear of the coach. It does come with your stackable washer and dryer, and that's a great amenity to have out on the road. Coming into this master suite area, it comes with a queen-size bed. This is nice because it allowed for wider access when you're on either side of the bed, and then you were able to put in more closet space for hanging items. This master suite is just real nice. It's got a nice comforting feeling, and of course, they still made sure you had the lift TV here in the rear of the coach. These doors are hydraulic as you move from the front to the rear, and when you get into this master bath, please take note of the beautiful tile work, all of the color. I'm a fan of the corner sink. I didn't think that was something I would like in the beginning, but getting these type of coaches out on the road, it is highly functional, and it's a great use of that corner area in your master. I also love this shower. It's spacious, the tile work, the built-ins, absolutely beautiful, and it makes anything that, your hygiene while you're out on the road, it just makes it feel real comfortable. Like I said, this is like a 5-star luxury suite that you're taking out on the road with you. This coach is ready to move, priced at $579,500. I think that is a steal when you look at not only the exterior of this coach, full body paint job. They built this coach on an Allison transmission. It has a 600 horsepower Cummins diesel engine. We are talking about a little over 92,000 miles. So we've barely kicked the new off of this engine. It does have 4 duct-in roof ACs. The comfort level is great. And you may not be able to tell or not in this video, we've had the generator running the whole time. This is a 20 kilowatt generator and it has 2 3,000 watt inverters. It is quiet. And I, as one who likes to travel, and Craig and I have often been where we've, been boondocking or not been able to plug in, having a generator as quiet as this is such a treat. This coach is priced to move and is ready to make all of your RV dreams come true. So check it out at Motorhomes of Texas.